let's make rajas con crema. First, we're going to char up poblano peppers. I used approximately 6 in this recipe. Do this over a gas burner or in an oven. There are multiple ways, and then steam them while we cook. Four minced garlic cloves, 1 thinly sliced jalapeño, and 1 thinly sliced full white onion. Add a little bit of veggie broth or olive oil to cook or deglaze. Olive oil works just as well, but I wanted to save on the oil a little bit, so I chose veggie broth. Now, once our poblano peppers have been steamed, we want to rinse them under cold water to remove the outer skin, and we will then, with a sharp knife, remove the tops and remove the inside seeds. Thinly slice your poblano peppers once you've de-seeded them and cut them into thin strips. Then add the poblano peppers to your garlic and onion mixture. Add 1 to 1.5 cups of cooked green lentils, in addition to 3 cups of corn kernels. Sauté and give everything a good mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of white miso paste in addition to half a cup or a full cup of cashew and almond crema. I will leave the full recipe in the description for you, as I made this before for a different recipe, but I had lots of leftover, so I decided it would be really easy to add it all to this wonderful recipe. Give it a mix and then add juice from 2 limes for some citrusy brightness to the recipe, in addition to some spices. Normally, rajas con crema comes with a little bit of nutmeg, so I decided to add a pinch of freshly ground nutmeg to this recipe. You can also omit this if you don't enjoy its flavor. Then add 1 teaspoon of ground dried oregano, ideally Mexican oregano. Give everything a good mix once more, and then add the last ingredient, which is 3 tablespoons of vegan cheese, because there is a little bit of oil in store-bought cheeses, so it'll just kind of mix everything and hold everything together nicely, but you can choose to completely omit this if you prefer a really clean recipe. This recipe is super delicious, comes together in like 30 minutes. Then I like to add my rajas con crema filling to tortillas, which is easily done on a comal. On a medium to medium hot heat comal, add your tortillas that have been sort of softened. Add your filling, about 3 tablespoons worth in each one. Flip them over, and you can easily pan fry them without a little bit of oil if you don't want any. You can choose to fry them in foil if you prefer. Cook them on each side for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how charred you'd like them, and then enjoy with your favorite salsa or just as is. This filling will remain fresh in the fridge for about a week, or you can freeze it if you'd like, and if that's your thing. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and if you like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel for recipes every Friday and daily shorts. See you next time!